He doesn't even want a big cheese. That's the thing, he lied. He made it seem like he gave it out of the goodness of his heart.
No. Watch this. I don't want anything. Ugh, what's up to you, Krabby?
He's having
Not
crabby. He's being a... What? A shit talker.
Ashley, you want to go to Taco Bell?
No.
Come on, dog, go.
I don't want to go to Taco
on.
Bell. I'm not hungry.
You're on a fucking
You
diet.
hungry? She's
on a
hungry.
diet.
She's gonna be hungry
Is
as
she
soon
on a
as she get
fucking
there.
diet?
No, she's gonna be hungry as soon as she get there. She talking
Why
about
do
she
you
ain't
say I'm
hungry
on a
now.
diet?
She don't want nothing no more. She don't want to eat no food or nothing. Just soup. She says she's on an all soup diet.
I
That
did
soup
not.
is banging. That's some banging ass.
Where'd you guys get it? And how come I didn't get offered any?
Because you're a bitch.
Say it, go ahead and say it. And house.
Oh, I wish I got that!
Fuck, I'm trying to fucking waste those motherfuckers. No! Coco!
Ow! Ow! No, Coco, you fucking bitch! Oh!
Thank you, because this is my lighter. Ah, you make it split my pants! Fuck you, Star! Fuck you, damn it! Stop it! Stop! Give me my sock!
I wasn't taking your sock, bitch.
You bastards! You don't care?
Here we come!
Fuck you, bitches. I'm out. That's unforgivable. I don't get it, dog.
We should hella put that, we should put that on there. And we should put it under unforgivable. Alright, had to pee it all day.
Damn it.
Look at the damage.
Dog.
What?
How
I
did
like
that
these
even
pants.
happen?
Guys like that.
Was she like this and they ripped or something?
I can sew them.
Serena can sew.
They'll be all fucking crazy ass sewed and shit. They'll be looking crazy as hell. Ouch. Shit.